Hello everyone, this is Neha and we are studying wonders of air. So as we know that what are the properties of air, now we will study about the air pollution, their effects and causes. So let's start with the air pollution. So as we know, the air is getting polluted. The presence of unwanted harmful substances in the air is termed as air pollution. That means the harmful substances present in air is known as air pollution, and that substances are known as pollutants. These gases affect our life very badly. Now let's study about the effects of air pollution. So some of the effects are: it affect on our health. Yes, air pollution directly affect on our health. The polluted air get inhaled. It contain benzene and vinyl chloride. When we inhale this polluted air, it affect cancer, birth defect and can cause other infections like eyes and nose. Air pollution also is the main reason for the increase in the number of asthma. The air pollution, when mixed with rain, it forms acid rain. The acid rain is very harmful. Acid rain destroys trees, crops, farms, animals and also pollutes the water bodies. It also harmful for the animals who drink polluted water. Air pollution also affect the environment and forms smog. When fog and smoke mix with each other, they form smog. It can be very harmful for those who breathe in because it contains a gas called ozone, which is very harmful for our lungs. It causes irritation in eyes also. Smog is very harmful as it decreases the visibility. Now let's study about the causes of air pollution. We know that industries are releasing smoke and dirt. This smoke, when mixed with air, cause air pollution. This smoke contains carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon and organic compound. These result into the air pollution. Other sources of air pollution are burning of fossil fuel like diesel, kerosene, coal and gasoline. Vehicle moving on the road also produces harmful gases which pollute the air. They also contain carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. They also contain oxides of nitrogen. When we inhale, we are affected and get some diseases. These are toxic in nature. This emission of smoke from vehicle is prime reason for air pollution. Every person life release some on other kind of vehicle. Yes, we travel on vehicle. Vehicles are required for transporting goods to travel from one to another place. Some of the farming and household work also produces some of the chemicals like crop dusting, fumigating, household cleaning products, paints, insecticide, pesticide, weedicide and fertilizers. These are also a major cause of air pollution. Now we learn about the air pollution, how it is caused. Let's know how can we prevent the air pollution or control the air pollution. If we maintain a distance of industrial area from the residential area, we can control the air pollution. If the chimneys are at a certain height, they can definitely reduce the air pollution. We should grow large number of plants. We should not burn fossil fuels. We should always use carpooling so that we can reduce the emission of harmful gases. The maintenance of vehicle can also reduce the air pollution. Most of the air pollution is caused by vehicles, so we should take public vehicle or should walk or carry cycle. We should not use unwanted electronic devices and use the different dustbins. Plant more and more trees. So these are the steps we can follow to prevent air pollution.